Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Is a candle-making business profitable? Yes. Candle-making businesses have profit margins of 100% or more and are easy to start as a home business. You will have lower business overheads and advertising costs too, making your profit margin even higher, and it's also not labor-intensive.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you sell your candles for $20 each, that's a profit of $15 per candle, assuming a $5 cost. By selling 100 candles per month, you can make $1,500 from your candle-making side hustle. Not bad. It's certainly possible to make over $200 per day selling candles.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Easy to price and sell. What might cost you $3 to make you can sell for $9 or more? You can market your candles through gift stores, craft malls, and farmers markets. Online through outlets like Etsy, or on your own website.
Take our lead.
Where to sell your candles. Finding the right sales channel. Your website or an online marketplace like Etsy. Farmers markets, craft fairs, festivals, or other local events. Wholesaling to gift shops and boutiques, locally or beyond.
Make your mark, take our lead.
While candles add warmth and light to every space, making your home feel cozier, they don't last forever and can be a little pricey. However, you can make them yourself really easily with a few supplies and a little bit of know-how. When you're ready to begin, prep the area where you'll be making your candle.
Take our lead.
Americans spend more than $3 billion on candles each year. This means that candle making can be a profitable endeavor for those interested in starting a business. In fact, some entrepreneurs can earn a decent living by making them right in their own homes. You can then sell them at local craft fairs or retail stores.
Take our lead.
A traditional pricing formula is to charge 2 times your cost for wholesale orders and 3 to 4 times your cost for direct sales. Another approach is to mark up your candles based on a marginal profit percentage.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.